This is a message to the creators of the OnePlus 6. I've seen a lot of videos of tech YouTubers who made a review on the OnePlus 6. They got the device sent over for free and they made a very cool review. I didn't. I now have 206 subscribers as of this moment, so I'm getting pretty big in my opinion. Thousands of views. And around 80 videos. So I think right now I do deserve a OnePlus 6, OnePlus 5D1. You have to understand OnePlus. I have an audience where I need to make videos for. I make videos, of course I make videos for myself, but I have an audience that wants to see my review of the OnePlus 6, but I don't have a OnePlus 6. So I want to ask you sincerely, OnePlus, can you send over a OnePlus 6 so I can review it? I'll do my best, I'll make multiple videos for my audience, but they really need to see this. It's not because I want the OnePlus 6, it's because I want to review it for my audience of 200 subscribers. 200? Still 200 subscribers? Oh, yeah. Oh, and if you're not someone from OnePlus and you're watching this video, if you're not already, subscribe below, because you know you need a lot of subscribers to review the OnePlus if you're not buying it yourself. Right, OnePlus, you know where to find me. Comment below, hit me up via Twitter, hit me up via mail. I'm down for anything. See ya.